Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every occasion. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about, the UCANBE Face Body Paint Set, which we believe is the best paint by Number Makeup Palette out there. Whether you're preparing for Halloween, cosplay, or just love experimenting with body and face painting, this kit is a game changer. Inside the box, you'll find 15 vibrant colors, ranging from basic black and white to more creative shades like green, blue, purple, and even gold and silver. This variety gives you endless possibilities to create all kinds of looks, from simple designs to complex, dramatic special effects. The colors are highly pigmented, meaning they provide excellent coverage, so you don't need to layer them up endlessly. Plus, they're easy to mix and match, allowing you to get as creative as you want. Now, let's talk about the brushes. The kit includes 10 professional-grade brushes in different sizes, which means you can have great control and precision for both broad strokes and fine details. Whether you're working on your face or body, you'll find these brushes make the job much easier. They glide smoothly, and even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to achieve great results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this paint set is that it's oil-based and non-toxic, making it safe for both adults and teenagers. The oil-based formula allows for easy blending, and it stays in place all day without cracking or fading. However, keep in mind that it may take a little longer to dry compared to other paints, but with a touch of setting powder, it will stay intact, even through long hours of wear. When it's time to remove it, simply use some cleansing oil or makeup remover, and it comes off easily without any hassle. This kit is perfect for all kinds of events: Halloween, cosplay, carnivals, and festivals, to name just a few. If you love creating dramatic, over-the-top makeup looks or want to try out SFX makeup, this is the palette for you. The ability to experiment with different styles, from zombies to clowns, is all within your reach with these paints. Plus, the non-toxic, skin-friendly formula means you don't have to worry about irritating your skin while you have fun. Overall, the UCANBE Face Body Paint Set is an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into face and body painting, whether for fun or for professional use. With its variety of colors, high-quality brushes, and skin-safe formula, it provides everything you need to create stunning and lasting makeup looks. It's definitely a must-have for your next big event, so grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.